Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our unit number 1 lesson, that is wonderful waste. Now what do you mean by waste? Waste is something that is of no use. You cannot use the thing is known as waste. But in this chapter it is written as wonderful waste. Here it means that sometimes the waste can also be useful, and so it is named as wonderful waste. So now let us start with the chapter. Once the Maharaj of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. The Maharaj of Travancore, it is the name of place. The Maharaj of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. Travancore is the name of place. He ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaj entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. In the afternoon, the Maharaj went to the kitchen to survey the dishes, means to check the dishes whether it is properly made or not. For the feast, feast means a group of people gathering together to eat something. What are you going to do with these vegetable scraps? He asked the cook. Maharaj asked the cook that what are you going to do with this vegetable scraps? Vegetable scraps means the waste of the vegetables which is of not used. Pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook replied, "They are waste, we will throw them away." Pointing to the basket, the cook said that they are of no use and we are going to throw these vegetable scraps away. You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them, the Maharaj commanded sternly and walked away. The Maharaja commanded that you cannot throw these pieces of vegetables which are of no use. Sternly means strictly. Strictly the Maharaja commanded. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. The cook was in a situation that now what to do the next. He kept staring. Staring means looking at something and he thought that what should I do now the next. Suddenly, here you can see the vegetable scraps in the basket. Suddenly an idea flashed across his mind. Suddenly an idea came to the cook's mind. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them well. He took all the vegetable bits, all the vegetables which were left, he took them, washed them and cleaned them. Then he cut them into long strips. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. He cut the vegetables, the leftover vegetable strips, he cut in a long strips and then he took it on a huge pot and placed them in the fire to cook. Next, he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic together. Next, after putting the vegetable on the huge pot, he took some coconut, green chilies and garlic and he started to do. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetable. The paste which he has made of coconut, green chilies and garlic, he added this paste and some salt to the vegetable. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. A tempting smell means an attracting smell started coming from the pot. Now he wiped some curd and added it to the curry. Now he added some curd. Curd means dahi. He added some curd to the pot. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Now he added some spoonful means full of spoon coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. He decorated it with the curry leaves. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. Surprisingly, lo and behold means surprised. What a surprise! The new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. The guests which were coming in the evening for the grand dinner, the cook served the dishes to them. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. Everyone was eagerly waiting to know the name of new dish. The cook thought and thought. Then a name came to his mind. He named it Avial. The cook thought very much that what name to give. He thought, and then he gave the name of Avial. Avial. Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. From that time, Avial became famous all over Kerala, and during the Kerala festival or the feast, Avial is present. And imagine it all came from a basket of waste. And imagine the Avial became from the basket of waste, the vegetable scraps which were left over, the Avial is been prepared from that. Now we are starting with our exercise. New phrases. In a fix. Situation hard to escape from. A situation which is hard. Now what to do the next? It is known as in a fix. Flash across the mind. Suddenly think of. Lo and behold. Look. What a surprise. Traditional feast. Hearty meal for many guests served on a special occasion. Traditional feast means during traditional festival there is a feast that many people gather together for dinner or for special occasions. Now what were the preparations in the palace for? The preparations was for a grand dinner. Why did the Maharaja go into the kitchen in the afternoon? The Maharaja went into the kitchen to survey the dishes. What had the cook planned to do with the vegetable scraps? The cook planned to make a curry. Ingredients are the things that are used to make a dish. Circle the ingredients of Avial in the box. Now here you have to circle the things which are the ingredients which are used to make the Avial. Like chilies were used to make Avial, but groundnut wasn't used. Roasted peanuts also wasn't used. State whether the following are true or false. The king had ordered a grand dinner in his palace. True, the king had ordered a grand dinner in his palace. No one had heard of or tasted Avial before. Yes, it is also true. The Avial was made for the first time. The cook had planned to make another dish using the vegetable scraps. Yes, it is true. A recipe is a list of directions. A recipe is a list of directions to prepare a dish. The following sentences are not in order for preparing Avial. Number them in the correct order. Now you have to number here that wash and clean the mix of vegetable. It was first thing which is done to make Avial. Now you have to arrange them in order. Second was cut the vegetable scraps into long strips. Third was grind some coconut, green chilies and garlic. Fourth was wipe some curd and mix it well. Fifth was pour some coconut oil on top. And the last was decorate with curry leaves, and the Avial was ready. Now given in the box are some things that children do after they reach home from school. Choose 5 things that you do when you reach home from school. You have to do the things which you do after reaching home. Now pack school bag. Here it is. First what you do after going to school, after going to your home after school. What is the first thing that you do? First try you could have changed the clothes or wash your hands, or sometimes the children directly watch TV. What are the things which you do? Then next after that finally. Now here make new words by dropping a few letters from the root word. Some are done for you. Here some are done. Here you have to put ed, ing, er, est. Now it is pound. Here you put ed, pounded, pound. Here ing, pounding. Where there is cross you have to do nothing. Now try. ed, tried. Here trying, tring, trying. Large, larger, largest. New, newer, newest. Tasty, tasted, tasting, tastier. Here with est, tastiest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Stare, stared, staring. Clean, cleaned, cleaning, cleaner, cleanest. Now do any of these words use all of 4 endings? Yes. Clean, cleaner, cleaned, cleaning, cleaner, cleanest. All the 4 endings are used in this word. Now name food that is made in your home for a feast or festival. During festival, what is the dish which your mom is preparing? You have to write here. When you are unwell, when you are not well, usually your mom could cook khichdi. Every day there is roti, sabji or another thing. Share the information with your friends. Avial is a dish made in Kerala. Do you have a similar dish in your state made from a mix of many vegetables? What is it called? Here, avial is prepared from the vegetables and it is a famous dish of Kerala. In Gujarat, we make from vegetables undhiyu. That is, all the vegetables are mixed in it. Note down the ingredients and use to make. Write down the recipe. You have to ask this to your mother that what are the ingredients used to make and how the recipe is been prepared. Now another story, that is bamboo curry. Okay, so here we are completing our chapter. I hope you have understood it. Thank you.